What's going on, folks? Finally saved up enough money and got a new soldering station. It is amazing how much I use that thing. I haven't had my soldering station in 2 or 3 weeks. You guys probably saw it in the video. Anyway, I must have went for it 15 times in the last 2 weeks and went, I don't have one. So I had a little extra money this month, so I went ahead and got myself a new one. And what I went with was the WEP 982-V. That's the C245. I haven't opened it. I just left it sitting here waiting for me to get time to make a video. Been kind of busy. And so we're going to do this together. So let's take a look inside this box and see how it comes. Because this is exactly how it comes. Well, it come in a bag because I got it from Amazon. But other than that, this is it. So, what we have on top is the instructions. I don't see any need in... Oh yeah, that's really cool. Alright, it is a 1-page instruction sheet. So, I'll go through that my own time. I'm sure we'll do a review on this. It came with 5 tips, which I was very appreciative of. And this was right at $60. Link will be below, and I'll put a little blip up here. Comes with lead-free solder. That goes in the trash can, because we don't use lead-free solder around here. We use leaded solder. Now I'll probably keep it around for just in case. That's it. Let's see. This is the unit, and the box is empty. Yeah, we'll keep that just for, because you never know. And there's the 5th tip. So, what does it come with? It comes with the straight. Let me zoom in so you guys can see these. We'll get a good look at them together. Alright, yeah. Alright, so we have the straight tip. We have the chisel tip that's about an 1/8 inch. We have the, I guess this is the high temp one. It's angled on both sides. I don't know what it's called, honestly. It's not on here either, so. This is the bent tip one, which you can't really see too good. The bent tip one, which is pretty popular with people. I prefer the straight tip ones, but that's just me. And this is the smaller chisel tip. Nope, that's the one that's angled on both sides too. So, if you guys know what that's called, tell me, because I don't. So yeah, it came with all 5 tips. This is the unit. They did some funky wrap deal with it. Okay. Where are my scissors? There they are. Not the best scissors I know. But whatever, I use them for crap. Okay, there's that. There's your part number. Oh, since you guys missed me cutting it open and everything, this is it. It doesn't come with replaceable tips, so I don't know. I may do something about that in the future. I may not. It is North America for me. Looks like... Okay, that's pretty nifty. Hot swappable. So that's what this is for? What's this for? What's this? I don't know. Yeah, I didn't read the instructions, so you know. Let's get a tip out. Where's my tip? There it is. Ow. Just stabbed myself. Can't make shit up. So apparently, if you need a different tip, you can use this to... Okay, that's pretty cool. Alright. I do like the form factor. It's pretty decent. What do we got here? Good lord. That's on there. WEP, if you see this, this is stupid. Alright, there. Alright, so it comes with a little brass stuff inside. A little rubber deal for catching your solder. Okay, I mean, it's something. I'll probably not use it too often because I use these. But these things are all over the internet. This one was like super cheap on Temu in one of my mailbags. I don't know. I'll put a price up. So I have a magnet over here, and I just stick this to that. And so yeah, that's it. Look for a review on this. We'll go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and use this for a little bit, and then I'll do a review. But that's the I just wanted to show a quick unboxing. And again, thank you. Numbers are still going up, albeit slowly. That's my fault. Videos are coming slowly, like I said, with injuries and all. I'm slacking a little bit, but my wife is healing quite well, and it looks like here in the next month or so she'll be back to full use of her hand, which means less work for this guy. And but anyways, thank you guys. Please push my buttons. Do what you can do down below. Like it, hate it, share it. Don't. Do share it, and you know, do that. It's a new thing on the phone. I don't know. I don't use my phone for a computer. I use my phone for a phone. So something hype. It's called hype. So yeah, do that. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.